Beyond these common issues, some people experience more complex oral health problems such as tooth grinding, also known as bruxism or TMJ disorders, which affect the jaw joint. Bruxism can wear down teeth over time and cause jaw pain or headaches. Wearing a night guard while you sleep can help protect your teeth from grinding. TMJ disorders, on the other hand, can cause pain and discomfort in the jaw joint and muscles. These disorders may be related to stress, teeth grinding, or misalignment of the teeth or jaw. Treatment options can vary depending on the severity of the condition, so consulting with your dentist or a specialist is important for finding the right solution.